Hello everyone, it's Kay here, and I'm here with a further entry to my 2000 plus subby giveaway, and it's from the lovely Sonja Friskes. And Sonja has been so concerned, having posted this on the 23rd, 2308. It finally arrived today, and I hope, Sonja, that gives you a little bit of peace of mind. I've got Sonja's details on one side of the envelope, my details on the other. So I'm just going to carry on and open up so I can move the envelope out of the way without causing any breach of private information. Oh my gosh. No, the letter had a very do not bend on it, so I have to look and see. Oh, this must be the ATC are in here. Thank you, Sonja. And I don't know, this must be the card, I guess. So I'll open that first, as I have on every other. Oh, that's beautiful, Sonja. Oh my word. Look at that. Just look. It's absolutely gorgeous. You've got I would think, a print of sorts here, which I don't recognise, but it's clearly, there's a child. It's Elizabethan time, I would say. Not being absolutely sure, but look at the work that's involved here. Absolutely gorgeous, from this lovely organza ribbon, which has the gold trim running through it, which offsets the top part of the card. These lovely vellum flowers with the tiny little bling in the corner, and the vellum is just so delicate. This gorgeous trim going all the way around the card, a lovely spray of roses in the corner there, and this lovely lace background. It's obviously been made on craft card, and then Sonja has placed these tiny little, well, I'm assuming they're acrylic beads with the little bit of bling right in the very centre of each flower that just catches the light and twinkles and sparkles like something's very special there. I hope the camera is picking it up. And then in amongst that are some more flat back pearls just to draw the eye. The detail is amazing, Sonja. Thank you so much for taking the time to take part in my challenge. I've not known Sonja very long, but she is, from what I've met of her so far, a lovely lady. She has certainly supported me beautifully since she found me, and I can't thank her enough for that. And on top of all of that, even though Sonja has not been well in the last few weeks, she's taken the time to put forward this lovely entry, which I really do love, Sonja. Thank you so much. I'll turn over the back, and here is Sonja's name. I'll leave a link to Sonja's channel underneath. I just have to open the ribbon now and look inside. It's a lovely closure. Oh my gosh. It's milestone of 2000. Oh, thank you. Well, I wouldn't have said you were a newbie in paper crafting at all, Sonja, not based on what you've sent to me. Oh, well, I hope you do go on to do tutorials. So Sonja's YouTube channel is the same as her name, so I will find it and put a link underneath. I am crafting since I was a young girl. That was a while ago. Join the club, my lovely. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Well done to you to just keep at it, Sonja. It's not easy, especially with disability. I'm partially disabled myself, and I do know the limitations of being in that place, and trying to keep your life real and a pleasure can be very, very daunting at times. So congratulations to you. I love the inside of the card, and Sonja has, I'm not going to share the message with you, but if I show you here, Sonja's put a beautiful insert here with all the lace and workings of a lace applique here, and a pocket, and then inside the pocket is all of Sonja's details. Let me just have a look off screen. Yeah, I should check that out once I've done filming. But thank you so much, Sonja. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Absolutely love it. Thank you very, very much indeed. I'm going to just pop the ribbon back around before we go on to the ATC, and that's purely so everything stays together, and then I'll just undo that again to have a look at Sonja's details. As I say, once I've finished filming this lovely, lovely entry. Thank you so much. And on to the ATC. I'll just snip across the top here again, like so. Oh, I say. Oh, Sonja. Michael van Meerveld, Frederick the 5th, I think, 4th, 5th, and Elizabeth Stewart. Well, I never. 3 beautiful ATC themed, let me just read. The Painter and His Art, a series by Sonja Friskes, and this is number 1 of 3. So there is the artist, and someone else has taken a portrait of him, clearly, with his artwork in the corner here. Beautifully put together. More of these really, really delicate acrylic style flowers with the tiny, tiny sprinkle of bling in the corners. The lace is gorgeous. Thank you so much, Sonja. Gorgeous. I love it. Love it, love it. Thank you. There's one. Number 2 is Frederick. I'm hopeless with these numbers. I think it's the 4th, but it may well be the 5th. I'm not the most up with that. I always struggled when I was at school. I've got a real issue with with numbers, believe it or not. I'm all right with the written word and so on, but numbers, they give me grief, and these numbers certainly have always given me grief. So excuse my ignorance, Sonja. You'll be sat there, I'm sure, screaming at me saying, but Kay, it's this. So I do apologise. But how lovely. The work is gorgeous. They're clearly backed on some significant card, and then sandwiched on the back of that are the title, Sonja's details, and the series, which is awesome. I love it. And then the 3rd is Elizabeth Stewart, and there she is in all her beautiful regalia, from the ruff around her neck to the detail of jewellery, the puffed sleeves, the use of lace as they did in the times. I think actually the materials of the day were really quite lovely, albeit a bit curtain based, we would say these days, but certainly in the day quality was everything from what I know of the era. But you know, again, I'm no expert, but sincerely, Sonja, thank you so much for these beautiful, beautiful ATC, for the gorgeous card. Thank you so much for taking part. I can't tell you how wonderful it's been to know that you are, like me, very into our craft work and enjoying just taking part in things and being supportive. So as I say, I will leave Sonja's details underneath the video. Do go along and offer some support. It's not easy when you're starting out with tutorials and that kind of thing. You really are laying yourself open to sharing what you like to do with strangers. It's quite intimidating, but I applaud the fact that Sonja is building up the courage, as she put it, to put herself out there, and I shall personally look forward to seeing your videos, Sonja, when the time comes. Thank you once again, everyone, for sharing this lovely entry with me, and I will be back again in a day or two with some more work. I've got my grandson staying at the moment, so I'm a tad excited and a tad unable to concentrate fully on crafting. So do bear with me, everyone. Take care. Happy crafting. Bye bye for now.